YouTube, I'm Lizzie and I am the Discount Vegan. I make budget-friendly recipes and teach you how to garden even in the smallest spaces to save time, money, and all that jazz for something a little, well, different. Something else. Spend or save, whatever you choose. If that sounds good to you, then definitely click the subscribe button down below. Also, you know the drill, click the bell notification as well so that you get updated on all of my new videos as they come out. So, what are we doing today? A nice transitional salad to go from summer to fall. This is a wheat berry salad that can use up any ingredients you have on hand, but I'm going to show you the combination I like. So if that sounds good to you, let's get started. Okay, so this is so super simple, guys. All you need is 2 cups of uncooked wheat berries, which are now cooked. All you have to do is just boil them in some salted water. I also like to put a little bay leaf in there as well. Just helps a little bit. And you just want to cook them until they are tender. Then you have 1 whole tomato. I didn't have enough room, so, 1 whole medium tomato, 1 sprig of green onion, and half of a red bell pepper. Or, like I said before, you can use whatever veggies you want. These are just what I have grown and what I still have available in my personal garden. Okay? Then for the sauce, dressing, whatever you want to call it, 1.5 teaspoons of olive oil. The best you can get is going to be the best flavor. Then there is another 1.5 teaspoons of lemon juice. I'm sure, like me, you probably just have the bottle, and that's absolutely fine. You don't have to get fresh lemons. And then, you can't really see it that well, but I have half a teaspoon of garlic chopped at the bottom. I just use the jarred garlic, but if you have garlic that you've grown or that you bought, feel free to chop that up real fine and put that in. Then we have 1 teaspoon nutritional yeast, a half teaspoon of dill, and a pinch of salt. And literally, all you want to do is just mix everything together. Throw this all in the bowl. This is like the easiest part, I swear. I like a lot of tomato. You don't have to put all this tomato in, but I like it, so that's why this is my salad. And then just pour the dressing mixture over top. And make sure to get everything out. And then the seasonings. I'm just a really big fan of dill right now. You can also use parsley. I've done that as well. and just mix this up. And the beauty of wheat berries is they are incredibly high in iron and in protein. So this salad right in and of itself is a great meal right here. Okay. So once you have everything all mixed up, if you have the time, feel free to put this in the fridge for a little while. Okay, so here it is. Super simple, super yummy, super filling, and so good for you. You can have this as a side. You can have this, this is great going to work if you're back to work for lunches and all that jazz. It is honestly so good. The wheat berries add like this different texture that not many grains have. I believe this is a grain. It's a wheat berry. Shoot me if I'm wrong, but either way, this is so good, so filling, so delicious. I really hope you try it. If you like this video, give me a big old thumbs up. If you haven't already, please subscribe, hit the bell notification that lets you know when I post every week, and let me know what you think of this recipe. And I will see you in the next video. Bye!